In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on optimized battery charging on your iPhone 14 to help reduce battery aging and improve your battery's long-term health. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, scroll down and tap Battery Health and Charging. Now, select Optimized Battery Charging. Once enabled, your iPhone will learn your daily charging routine and delay charging beyond 80% until it's closer to when you usually unplug your device. This helps reduce battery wear and extend your battery's lifespan. For the best results, keep features like location services and significant locations enabled, as your iPhone uses them to learn your charging habits and optimize charging automatically. You can return to the same menu at any time if you want to change your charging optimization preference. That's it. Now you know how to turn on optimized battery charging on your iPhone 14. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.